Hi, I'm Paul from Faher, UK. We develop a high-quality range of lubricants to all types of engines, gearboxes, differentials, fuel systems, chains, bearings and so on. And the reason why I'm here today is because we're going to demonstrate the quality of our products. And to do that, we'll just use a very simple machine. As you can see, there's no rocket science in this machine. Basically, I'll just run a tin can out of rest bearing, one of these, which is already there, and we'll run it on an SKF roller, so one of those. And I'll add weights in here, and the more weights I'll add due to the leverage, more friction will be created in there. So it's a very simple but very impressive demonstration. Each one of these weights, by the way, they weigh just over 400 grams, and by the time the weight gets there due to the leverage, we reckon it's around 10 kilos of pressure point load, each one. Yeah. Okay. So now there's no lubrication at all, just metal on metal under pressure. And the third weight sees it straight away. And if we check, there's massive wear in a few seconds. So I will now find the next fresh face on the roller, right on the side. And this time I'll use engine oil. I'm going to use a high quality, fully synthetic 530 engine oil, one of the best ones we can buy on the UK market. Okay. And let's see how it goes. So I'll take the weights now and we'll start from the beginning. So 1, 2, 3, 4 weights, and it seizes again. There's nothing wrong with the engine oil. It's a very good quality engine oil. This is just too extreme, especially because all the pressure is point loaded. So, and if we check the wear now, we will have less wear than before. I had an extra 10 kilos of pressure, point load. So actually the engine oil is doing its job, which is protect the metal. So I will now find the next fresh face on the roller, once again, right on the side. We will use exactly the same engine oil, but this time I will use one of the products that we developed, one of the lubricants that we developed. It's an oil-based product, very thin, almost like water, that can be used with any type of engine oil, from fully synthetic to mineral, for modern engines or very old engines, including if we are in the presence of white metals. The way it works, again, very simple. It just follows the engine oil and it coats the moving components with a protection film. It takes a few seconds to do the job here in just a few miles on an engine. So let's see how it goes. And 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So I literally double the pressure and nothing happens at all. The way the lubricant works, because it coats the moving components, now, even if we have no oil, it will still won't seize. I mean, eventually it will take hours and hours to seize. whole point of this demonstration will be the wear, because we're going to compare the wears now. And as you can see, it's much less, twice as much weight, and for much longer. And also, the wear is different, it's polished now. Totally different from the other two. Well, thank you for watching. Please feel free to see the other videos, and also if you require any further information, feel free to contact us through the website, or you can always find us doing shows all over the UK. We'd also like to thank VVES for letting us the showroom today. Well, thank you again, and see you soon.